How to animate photos with Parallax in Premium Pro. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. You must follow some steps for that, and the steps are: so to create a parallax effect with photos in Adobe Premium Pro, first step is to prepare your photo. Separate layers in Photoshop. This is optional but it is recommended. So open your photo in Adobe Photoshop, use the selection tools like lasso tool or pen tool to isolate the foreground, midground and background elements of the image. Now copy these selections onto separate layers. Now fill the background layer with content aware fill of manually pinned or gaps left to the foreground elements. Now save each layer as a separate PNG file with transparency. The step 2 is import the layers into Premium Pro. After importing the layers to Premium Pro, go to the file, imports and select PNG files you have saved from the Photoshop. Alternatively, you will have PSD file with separate layers. You can import it to choose individual layers as well. Now create a sequence and apply the parallax effect. Scale and position the layer. Select the first layer, go to the effect controls panel and adjust the scale and position parameters as well. Now for a parallax effect, the background should move slower than the foreground. Now animate the layers. How you can animate is place the playhead at the beginning of the timeline. In the effect controls panel, click the stopwatch next to the position and scale for a selected layer and create a keyframe. Now move the playhead to the end of the timeline and adjust the position and the scale values to create a motion like background, subtle movement, and etc. So after that, you can simply ease the keyframes by making the movement smoother. Right click the keyframes and select ease in or ease out if you don't want it. Now fine tune animation, adjust the timing, add motion blur which is optional, and use the 3D camera, that is also optional. Now after doing everything, the steps which are shown here, preview and export. Preview the animation, play through your sequence to ensure the parallax effect is smooth and looks good. Now export the final video. Go to file, go to export media to export your animated photo with the parallax effect. By following these steps, you can create a dynamic parallax effect with still photos in Adobe Premiere Pro, adding depth and the movement to your project. So this is how you can do this. I hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.